I don't know where Lily's shit is. Check Holly's room, I don't know. But I wouldn't wake her if I were you. Sleepwalkers and trolls. I think that's the rule.
I thought you said you would help me look.
Actually, Big B, if you'll excuse me, it seems that I'm gonna pass out. What a day. Am I right, Sheriff? What a fucking day.
Und tschüss. Gren wird sich nicht daran erinnern. Guten Tag, ihr Leid. So. Wir dürfen jetzt ganz leise und unauffällig ein bisschen hier herumschnüffele. Ich würde mal sagen, ich fange nicht mit der Kiste mit Alkohol an, aber ich will jetzt auch nicht Holly berühren, mit Holly reden. Die Liege. Oh, da ist Bier. Ein gutes Fass Bier, okay. Okay, hier geht's nicht wirklich. Ich guck mir mal gleich mal die Liege an, so. Okay. Volltreffer. Ich müsste halt nur... Alter, die schläft ein bisschen mit auf eine Aue. Könnte glatt mal Freundin sein. Vom Schlafen mit der auf eine Aue. Nicht unbedingt vom Aussehen. So, komm dann. Komm, gucken wir uns mal den Alkohol an. Jetzt tu das bestimmt hochhebe und dann klackert's und es war so klar. Okay. Ei, Dankeschön. Ach, guck mal. Ja, dann. Dankeschön. Ja, das ging ja einfach. Also, was haben wir dann Feines? Stell's mal auf den Tisch. Genau. Und dann gucken wir mal. Oh, shit.
That you, Woody? Woody?
No, Holly. It's me, Bigby.
Bigby. Bar's closed.
Schlaf
And
weiter.
excuse me, but I'm not in the mood for entertaining. But what the fuck? I know you're not gonna leave. You do what you want. You always do what you want.
Ja, eigentlich halt, ne? Aber, okay. Die Weinflasche. Ach, das ist doch die, wo er in dem Zimmer war, oder?
Do you even give a shit about us? The strays? The ones that aren't in that fancy high-rise. Those of us that gotta work for a living.
Holly, just because I live in the woodlands doesn't mean I'm not one of your strays. I'm not Crane or Cole. I didn't exactly grow up wearing clothes.
Yeah, I know you didn't.
Guck mal da im Hintergrund. Hat er eine gesehen?
Why'd you even come here? There's nothing here to investigate. I can't be any use to you.
I'm tracking a lead.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ist das nicht die Brosche von Faith? Also die hatte doch auch sowas. War das nicht so die Brosche von ihrem Königsgedönse da? Das Addressbook. Ach, guck mal da. Aber erst einmal ein Klimabehälter. Ach, das ist wieder so. Ist das dasselbe wie da, wo wir schon mal gehabt haben? Also, ne? Muss ja wohl. Bleibt nur noch eins übrig.
Be honest, Sheriff. Why are you going after him? The guy that killed Lily. You could have quit a long time ago, but you're still going. Why? Did they give you this job for a reason, or was this the only thing the business office would let you do?
The guy I think did it, he and I have a history.
A schoolyard grudge ain't a reason, Bigby. At least it ain't a good one. You just remember, whatever bullshit excuse you tell yourself, I'm counting on you. So don't have any more fuck-ups.
Hm.
If you were getting your glamour on this day, then one of these has to be the witch. But which one?
Hello, this is Snow White calling. I'm looking for Bigby. Is anyone there? Bigby, if you're there, pick up, okay?
Ja, ich komm, jo. Bleib locker, Mädchen.
Snow?
Hey, I just wanted to see how it was going. Did you find anything?
Der Junge
Just
las
an
nicht so
address
weit, du hast
book
Kabel
with the
dran.
contact's initials. Not sure which one is the witch, though.
Strange. These people keep cropping up. Before, a few days ago,
Any ideas?
you should try going up to Crane's place. I sent Buffkin up there to check on things. Bluebeard, you know. Or you could try at the Tweedle's office. Just make it quick. We don't have a lot of time.
Ich geh zu
I'll
den
head over to
Tweedles.
Tweedledee's place. See what I can find there.
Sounds good. Just keep me posted. In the meantime, I'll see what I can do on this end.
Okay.
Good luck, Bigby.
We'll find him, Snow.
I hope you're right.
So. Das Büro der Tweedle-Brüder. Die Bronx. Huch, was ist denn das für eine?
Excuse me.
Oh, hi. Sheriff Bigby. Great to see you.
Bist du der verwunschene Frosch oder was?
I've seen you around, but you may have
I
forgotten.
know who you are, Flycatcher.
Flycatcher?
You've worked at the Woodlands for how many years now?
I think I've lost count. But you know, Crane let me go recently.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I mean, it's no big deal. So, what brings you here? I mean, can I help you with anything? Are you here to see one of the brothers? Dee or Dumb? They aren't here right now. I'm not sure when they'll be back. Did you make an appointment?
Have you seen a witch come by?
I don't know. Sometimes.
Really?
But
Who is she? Do you know where she lives?
I don't
Wenn
know
er
her
hat ja
name
gesagt,
or
dass
where she
das
lives.
Tweedledee und
She
Tweedledum
just sometimes drops stuff off for the
nicht hier
brothers
sind.
to deliver.
So, ne?
Deliver to
Und
who?
deshalb habe ich mal gleich unter
I've
Hex
never had any
gefroht.
reason to see for myself. Sorry.
Oh, der hat ja Aue.
It's been a quiet night so far. I think the twins are out, probably working on a case. Sometimes I don't see them for days. They gave me the job after Crane told me to get lost. He said I was just in the way.
Where's their office?
Oh, right this way. I was going there next anyway. I can let you in if you want. You can wait for them there.
Sure, thanks.
No problem.
Und so hängen dort 3 Hüte.
I'm gonna have to take a look around.
Holla.
Well, I guess that would be okay.
I wasn't really asking for permission.
Right, you're the sheriff. I just don't want to get in trouble or anything. I'm sure it's fine. I mean, they never told me not to let you in.
Just keep to the back, out of the way, all right?
Na, Alter. Komm.
Right.
Schmeiß es doch nicht aufs Gummo. Jetzt muss er's wegkehren. Ach Gott. Bigby, du bist so ein Arsch. Posteingang. Dann untersuchen wir mal, hä?
Dear Brother D, I think we should get ourselves a dog. Sincerely, Brother Doug. He actually mailed this?
They do have their quirks.
This is pointless.
Das ist nicht Rode, das ist der andere Posting.
Dear Brother Doug, I hate dogs and you know it. Sincerely, Brother D. Couple of freaks.
I know these guys can come off abrasive at times, but they aren't so bad once you get to know them. And they really care about helping people. They're kind of loud at times, but you get used to it.
How do you mean they help people?
They're detectives. Anyone can come in here with a problem and they'll do their best to fix it. The way Dee explains it, it's like if someone lost their cat, well, they could hire them to, you know, track it down. Or like sometimes they get packages for people. They can be like couriers, you know?
You mean for people other than the witch?
Oh yeah, all kinds. Come to think of it, I don't really know where they keep them. Anyways, I'm just saying, you You just don't know them like I do.
Sure, Flycatcher.
Sorry, aber du kommst mir irgendwie ein bisschen naiv. Nenne mal es naiv. Guck mal ein bisschen naiv vor. Guck mal da, das bin ich. Hallo, wie aus dem Gesicht geschnitten. Sag ich mal her.
Let's see if they got a file on Crane.
Beauty, Brannigan, Cinderella, Crane, Donkey Skin. Fangen wir mal mit Faith an. Solo Foto von Crane, lovely. Find it at all
Crane
costs.
hired them
Easy
to
job.
look for a photo? So that's why they were at her apartment. And the woodsman's place.
Hey Mann, ich hab's jetzt nicht ganz gelesen, weil er
See,
reingebabbelt hat.
I knew you wouldn't find anything. Anything of interest, anyways. They're detectives, like I said.
Just stay out of this. I have work to do.
I'm just saying.
Look, just trust me on this. Tweedledee and Dum are not nice. They're not helping anyone.
Well, they helped me.
Okay, great. They helped you. That's one person. Now, please, just let me concentrate here.
Okay. Die tue ich jetzt mal erstmal alles durch. Jetzt vielleicht soll ich nicht alles durchgucken, weil ich habe eigentlich nicht so viel Zeit, ne? What?
This is
George has
worse
an
than I
interest. Well,
thought.
till CM gives go ahead. Pot squeeze. Was ist das?
Shit.
Komm, scheißegal, das machen wir alle.
Detective Brannigan. Keep an eye on her.
Wer ist denn Brannigan? Okay, Cinderella. Ich hoffe jetzt nicht, dass die Zeit abläuft, weil es hieß so, man hat nur noch eine Stunde oder sowas Zeit, ne? Wer ist Cindy Bean? Vacation, apparently Princess somewhere in Europe. Erik hätte Schuhlade da oder was? Sag, mach Sache. Der gläserne Schuh. So, Crane, jetzt hat er aber.
Ichabod Crane.
Ichabod Crane.
He owes the crooked man money. Shit. How's he planning to pay
Maybe the
this all
crook
back?
man.
Request for property acquisition. Further details filed under Donkey Skin. Why did he want it back so badly?
Find anything?
Not what I need.
What if you're wrong about them?
I'm not.
They're misunderstood, sure, but that doesn't mean everything people say about them is true. I mean, you know, like when I think about it, you guys aren't that different. You help people, and they help people. Not that it's any of my business, but
Is that what you think?
Glaubst du halt wirklich, dass das so...
Bigby?
Shit. There's something here. I know there is.
Ich habe noch nicht überall
Has to
geguckt,
be.
lass mich noch ein bisschen
Why
umgucken.
would there be anything
Because
to
they're lying to you, okay, Flycatcher? That's why. They aren't detectives. They shot at Snow White.
Bigby, what happened to your...
You want to know what this is? This is them showing up to Lily's funeral with fucking shotguns.
I'm sorry, I didn't know.
Holly and Gren both got injured. Snow White nearly got her head blown off. Do you get it now?
Ja, aber... Ja, ne, ist nötig. Aber wir müssen jetzt ihm nicht ein schlecht Gewissen machen.
I didn't mean to.
There's a door behind this file cabinet. Now, I don't know what they keep back here, but it might be what you're looking for.
Wow, Schlüsselloch. Okay, dann benutzen wir halt immer den Schlüssel, ne? Ja, das sollte mal dringend geputzt werden, ne? Mountain Blend Coffee. Irgendwas zum Wiegen. Action untersuchen. ASAP. Was ist dann da so dringend? Zeig mal her. Crookman. Habe ich doch schon mal gehört.
I'm sorry, I know I'm late. I'll get it to you soon. Ichabod Crane.
Crane.
Who was he sending money to?
Crooked Man. Care of the Lucky Pawn. You know what that
Händler
is?
Lucky Pawn. Geil, Geld. Geldsack ist. Das ist erstmal konfisziert, ne? So. Ist so nicht geklaut.
Is that what you needed?
I don't think so, but it's interesting. There's more going on here. I still need to find that witch, though.
What are you looking for exactly? Maybe I can help.
Anything about Crane, or the witch he was using. Something.
Noch ein Päckchen.
Butcher?
Metzger? Butcher? Was ist das?
What is
Ahnung.
this stuff?
So ist das alles in Dosen? Und tun sie das so austra oder was? Und sagen, oh, ich bring dem nur Kaffee oder was? JD.
JD.
Das ist ein JD.
A book. This doesn't really tell us much.
Ja, dann mach doch mal das Buch auf. Don't judge a book by its cover, Junge. Ja? Ah, Moment. Da ist noch ein Päckchen. Hab ich noch gar nicht gesehen. Ich hab nur die Dose gesehen. Was ist das da?
Hey, Bigby,
Ist das Nivea oder was?
do you think, after all this, do you think I could come back to the Woodlands? Since Crane let me go, I mean, I can still work here, but I don't think I want to now. I don't want to work with bad people, you know? You and Snow, you're nice.
That's not really my problem.
Right, I know. Sorry.
Ey, sorry, aber ja, keine Ahnung, was ich gerade gemacht habe, aber ich wollte eigentlich hier, ey Junge, ich habe gerade anderen Scheiß zu tun, ne? Auntie Greenleaf.
The witch Crane was using.
I guess Dee and Dumb were getting the hair for Crane and sending it to her? That's not a pleasant thought.
Auntie
Da,
Greenleaf.
AG.
AG.
1284 irgendwas. Gibt's hier ein
Is there a phone
Telefon?
around here? I need to call Snow.
Right over there.
Thanks, Fly.
Business office?
Scheiße.
I know who she is.
Jetzt bin ich doch ein bisschen, ne? Dass ich so fies zum war.
Bigby!
Was
I
geht
just
ab?
got here.
Yeah, me too. It's number 23.
Wie lange haben wir
I haven't
noch?
seen it yet.
We're late.
Yeah, I
2
know.
Uhr 14, 14 Minuten zu spät. Scheiße.
This
Habe ich
is
so
it.
lange gebraucht oder
All
was?
right. How do you want to do this?
Wie will ich vorgehen? Zack, nimm mit. Ah,
Wait,
die
wait, wait,
Schulter.
what are you
Die Schulter,
doing?
die Schulter, die
What
Schulter,
does
die
it look
Schulter.
like?
Don't just kick it in. We don't know what's on the other side.
Ja, aber
Let's
die
just
wissen auch
save
nicht,
the
was bei
last
uns da drin
resort
ist.
For last. Makes sense?
Nein. Nimm mit.
Oh my
Alter,
God.
was ein Kind.
I'm sorry, don't hurt me. We are so sorry. We didn't realize you were right there.
Who are you? Who lives here?
I'm sorry.
It's all right. It's okay. Calm down. We're not here to hurt you.
Ist das die Hexe?
Are you sure?
Yes, Mr. Wolf can get a bit excited sometimes, but that's all over with now, I assure you. Now, what's your name?
Rachel, who are you? Just so we're not strangers.
Well, I'm the sheriff, and this is my partner.
Boss.
Pleased to meet you. How do you do? Is there anything you need? I'm not allowed to let people in.
Is Auntie Greenleaf at home? Does she live here?
You mean my mom?
She ever, make the nightstand levitate, turn frogs into cats, that kind of thing?
Is she a witch, dear?
Oh, no, I would never call my mommy that. She treats me well.
Nein. Jetzt, ich
Is
dachte...
there something you want? I don't think I can really help you.
Alter,
Snow, can you just do something here? I never had any idea what to say to these people.
solchen
mean
Leuten.
children?
Ja, geil, hey. Okay.
Do you mind if my friend here takes a look around? I promise we'll be quick so you can hurry back to bed.
Ja, die hat gar nicht die Antwort abgewartet. Hat sich vielleicht selber in das Kind verwandelt?
I've been here all night. Nobody's been here. Okay, boss. I'm gonna trust your friend not to break anything. Don't get me in trouble.
Look for anything unusual.
Yeah, like Crane. He could still be here.
Warum sollte man da oben untersuchen? Aber egal.
Pretty rare to see a burner like this.
Dowdy. That's how we like it.
Okay.
Where do you buy your clothes?
At a
Plattenspieler,
store?
Hirschgeweih.
My mommy makes all of mine.
Ah ja, guck mal. Oh, das Bild. Porträt. Okay, sie hat wohl wirklich... Okay. Hätte ja können Sinn, dass sie sich
I saw a
wirklich
spider over there yesterday.
Kind
Oh.
verwandelt hat.
It
Guck
was
mal
a
her.
pretty one.
Let me guess. Big band or classical?
Honky tonk.
Honky tonk.
No accounting for taste.
Hirschgeweih.
Do you like broccoli?
Your mom
Ja, ich mag
hunter?
Brokkoli.
Oh no, she never. That was found in the woods around Dick's Mountain, I think.
Die kennt sich verdammt gut aus. Also ich meine, sie
Do
kommt
you
halt
have any pets?
irgendwie wie so...
Not technically.
Also bam.
What is this?
Also
Mommy
bam.
uses that to carve her trinkets. It's from the old world.
Trinkets? Like glamours?
Oh, die stehen vor innerer
There's no one here
Bank.
but
Guck mal,
me.
die steht genau vor innerer, wie heißt das? Schreinerbankgedönse. Was mir auffällt, ist das da oben. Die rote Hirschse. Das komische Glimmerbehälter-Dingens da. Das hatte so, rote Hirsche, weiße Hirsche. Das hatte so ein Hirsch drauf. Welche, wo man so ein Drehding da machen musste. So, was gibt's denn da hin? Alter, Kriegszeit. Wieso haben dann die. Da ist Holz. Ist da Holz Ach, guck mal da. Das habe ich gemeint mit Schreinerbank. Die steht vor einer Schreinertisch.
Nothing that looks like Crane was here either.
Nothing?
Abwarte. Mädel, wieso stehst du vor dem Tisch so blöd rum? Ich tue mit der Rachel reden.
How much longer do you think it'll be?
So lange, bis ich sah, dass es fertig ist. Ich würde mich da auf dem Tisch da umgucken. Hello. Deliver to Auntie Greenleaf.
The
Return the
butcher.
butcher.
What's that?
Da haben wir doch was gefunden
Package.
gehabt.
Having to do with someone called the butcher.
Also in dem
Someone
Keller
just
da
like
war
it
doch
at
was.
The Tweedle's office.
Genau.
God damn it.
Shouldn't say that.
Nothing?
Keep getting whiffs of that aftershave of his.
I do too.
Can I go to bed now? Please?
Ja, kannst du. Ah, ja.
Is that a
Siehste.
glamour tube?
Mommy really doesn't let anyone play with that. Trust me, I've tried. Oh, no. Please, just put that back exactly where you found it. No one is allowed to play with
It's
that.
all right, honey. Bigby's not going to break
No, you
it.
don't understand. She will freak out if she discovers I've let people in here and let them touch her stuff, okay? She checks all the time to see if things move. I don't want to get in trouble.
Snow, come on. Are you kidding? It's a glamour tube. Something's going on here.
No! Put it down! Please, don't! This isn't what you think! You gotta believe me. The guy isn't here, I promise!
It's gonna be okay, Rachel.
Please, I'm begging you. I don't wanna get in trouble.
Auntie Green.
Wusste ich's doch.
It hurts when you do it that fast.
Wusste ich's doch. Die war mal eh schon.
What?
You picked the wrong night to lie to me. No more lying, no more ring around the rosy, no more bullshit non sequiturs. You're done. It's over. You're gonna tell me what I wanna know right now.
All right, start explaining. And from the beginning.
I was born in the woods to a jackal and a...
None of this pathetic witchcraft crap is gonna prevent me from prying what I need from your gullet. Now tell me where Crane is.
I ain't a fortune teller, wolf. I have no heavenly idea where he went to.
You have to know something.
Unless you want a recipe for owl stew, there's nothing I know that would help.
Huh. That's funny. I distinctly remember telling you just now to not fucking lie to me! I don't think you get it. I'll gladly illustrate how much trouble you're in if you keep up the babe in the woods routine.
I have a lot of bullies in my life, Mr. Wolf.
Also die
One
ist
more
schon
won't tip the kettle.
eiskalt. Okay, bei dir müssen wir,
There's
glaube ich, an der
powers at
Vertrage
work
reden.
here beyond your pathetic authority.
Whatever it is, Greenleaf, whatever it is that's keeping you from saying something, you have to forget it.
I don't give a shit about your problems, Greenleaf. Just talk, now.
You have no idea what's going on, do you?
Nee,
Okay, you
scheinbar
know
nicht.
what I think? I think we've been more than patient with you. This witch has been selling illegal glamours that continue to undermine everything we've built. She's harboring a fugitive that took advantage of it, and now she's resisting every attempt to make things right. I frankly don't give a crap if she's afraid for her life. We can at least make sure she never hurts us again. We're destroying the tree.
No!
Was ist das?
How dare you come in
Immer wenn
here
sie
and
sich
threaten to
aufregt,
take from me
wackelt
the
das ganze
one
Haus.
thing that tree is ancient. It's part of the family, and it's the only thing paying for this shithole apartment. And the Fables, who can't afford the glamours from you, come to me for help. Without them, where do you think they could go?
Don't give me that. You're making money off of other people's misery. 2 Fables are dead because of this crap. It's too dangerous leaving this stuff with her.
You think I like being the old woman in these stories? The men are heroes, the ladies are whores, and the old hags like me get to watch everyone they love die.
We have very different ways of handling our fate.
Very different means to handle it too.
And I don't use it as an excuse to wreck people's lives.
Isn't there another way? She's a witch. Can't she just work for us? That way she'd be official.
You want to reward her for criminal behavior? We can't trust this woman on the 13th floor.
It doesn't matter, because I'd never do it. I'm not a house cat, and I don't play well with others.
Oh, trust me, no one would confuse you for a cuddly animal. Bigby,
Junge, es ist
this
ja aber...
is an order. Burn the tree.
No! Look, I'll tell you. Crane was here. He was here, and he left.
Wo ist
He
er
went to
hin?
the pudding and pie to try
Ah.
to use my ring on the girls over there to get information.
What is the ring?
Ring?
He thinks it's the ring of dispel. You know, that it will pierce the protection around the girl's speech. He says pulling the truth out of them will prove his innocence. It won't, though. Damn thing lost its power decades ago.
I'm sorry, but we still can't let you keep the tree. It wouldn't be right after what's happened. Bigby.
Please, Sheriff. Don't.
You know, you aren't technically my boss yet, Snow.
Do you think this is a joke?
Nee,
I don't.
ich werde den Baum nicht
Cole hasn't
verbrennen.
confirmed you, and until he does, you have absolutely no authority over me. I'm not gonna burn down
Ich
this
werde den
tree.
Baum nicht verbrennen.
All right, let's go.
Hey, Greenleaf. Don't think this is over.
I won't.
Ich werde den Baum nicht verbrennen, weil was er gesagt hat richtig ist. Sie macht den Glimmer für die sich das gute Zeichen nicht leisten können. Jetzt könnte man natürlich sagen, die verdient Geld an der Arme oder sowas. Ja. Und der gute Glimmer kostet deutlich mehr. Und dann müssen die Arme auch kaufen.
That's Crane's car.
No, it's nothing you need to concern yourself with. I don't
So.
think so, at least. Shit. Hold on. Oh, do you miss a spot? Mr. Clean, come to smash up the rest of my place. Oh, nice. Come to audition, you bitch.
Oh, jetzt gibt's Kleine drauf. Sag, Scheiß auf der Arm. Aber, ey, sorry, aber das hat er halt einfach verdient. Das hätte ich schon viel früher machen
Can't
sollen.
just go in there.
Doch, klar können wir. Guck.
We have a problem.
Der ruft jetzt bestimmt der Dummel die und der Dummel dumm an.
Mr. Crane, please. She can't help.
I know you know what the plan is. I won't be held accountable for this.
I can't! I'm sorry,
Oh my god, Bigby.
Wait, don't!
didn't do anything. I promise you, I didn't do anything. These girls, the girls, they'll back me up. I just have to get this stupid ring working, that's all. They can't talk because of that spell, but once this ring gets through, I'll know what's going on and this whole thing will be over. That's all, please. I'm innocent, completely innocent.
The ring won't work. Greenleaf sold you out.
What? No, this will work. I assure you, it must. I wouldn't did you. Please, tell me who killed her.
My lips are sealed.
Ja. Das ist genau das, was immer zu mir gesagt hat. Es ist also so Zauber, dass er nicht reden kann. Das habe ich schon letztens auch schon bemerkt, dass so irgendwie was nicht stimmt. Deswegen hat sie mir ja den Schlüssel gegeben, weil sie nicht reden kann.
What?
How many years has this been going on?
Too many. But I didn't kill those women, Bigby. Please, I had nothing to do with that. Oh, God.
You screwed up, Crane.
Aber muss sowas von.
Sheriff, listen.
The amount of evidence I have, the town wouldn't bat an eye if I were to throw you down the witching well tonight.
Please, Sheriff. I'm telling you the truth when I say that
Hab
I
ich nicht
did not
gesagt.
kill that woman.
Er hat es trotzdem sich versaut.
Bigby?
Mhm.
I don't think he did it.
What?
Look at him. Do you really think this man murdered these women? He's not... He wouldn't be brave enough.
What do you mean? You don't think he did it at all? If you'd seen the room,
I don't need to see the room.
there's a lot he has to answer for.
There's a lot we all have to answer for.
This is different, Snow, and you know it.
You said you found evidence of him defrauding Fabletown, of using our money for his own ambitions. That's one thing. But don't you have doubts he's a murderer?
Oh,
You've both
hab
known him
ich.
for so long.
I can't believe I'm hearing this. Did you see how he was acting when you showed up?
Yes, I know how this...
Why would he even come here if he wasn't covering his tracks?
He thought he was being framed. And maybe he is.
This fuck-up knows more than he's saying.
I don't.
Yes, okay, he probably does. But there's a difference between being involved and being the guy who did it.
Okay, but if Crane didn't kill Faith and Lily, I'm sorry, but who the hell did? You know, when I saw you come back here, I thought this was over.
This whole thing is bigger than Crane. He wouldn't have the stones to send the Tweedles after me. Somebody else is involved.
Well, shit.
I didn't intend for any of this to get so...
You've been stealing money from Fabletown for years, haven't you? Yeah. We're not gonna kill you, so quit your shivering. Ichabod Crane, you are under arrest for the misappropriation of Fabletown funds. You have the right to counsel, the right to depose witnesses.
You are extraordinarily lucky Miss White was here to save your ass. Because if it
Aber
was up
wirklich.
to me, you'd have your head swinging from the Washington Bridge.
Okay, Sheriff, that's enough. This can't be Greenleaf again and again, behaving however you like, acting without constraint. You have to respect this office, Bigby. And you have to respect me as its leader. Starting now.
You think you have what it takes to run that office? You think I didn't make sacrifices? I made sacrifices. And you won't be in that chair 1 minute before you have to give up something you care about just so the wheels don't fall off the goddamn wagon. I did the best I could with what I had. And the town took everything it could out of me. If I maybe took a little something back in return, then so be it.
Better save your energy, huh? You're going away for a long time.
Nee, ich muss ihm nicht die Nase brechen. Aber wenn sie groß genug ist zum Brechen. Okay, jetzt sind wir aber soweit, wie wir vorher waren. Wir sehen mal nicht, wer es war. Aber wir haben noch Hinweis. Wer ist denn der Crooked Man, also der krumme Mann?
What are you saying?
Mädchen und absurde Pläne? Was? Wer ist das Blaubart? Los. Okay. Ja, es war so klar, dass ihr zwei Dipscher kommen.
Hi. What you got there?
Wer ist das?
Look. It's recently come under our attention that you're, how shall I put this, attempting to claim what is the personal property of the Crooked Man. He's about yay high, 120 odd pounds, pissed his sheets until he was 14. Sound familiar?
I haven't told him anything.
Not now. Shh. The grown-ups are talking.
Who are you? Das?
No. That's not how this works. How this works is you are going to walk Crane over here, like a good doggy.
It wasn't my fault.
Shut up.
Alter.
You're interfering with official Fabletown business. Step aside.
Tweedledee. What's the, you know, that thing the Mundies call me?
What?
My nickname. You know what I'm talking about.
Bloody
Mary, that's it. Thank you. And do you know why they call me that? Because some of them, they think it's funny to have their little sleepovers and go into their little bathrooms and say my name 5 times in the mirror. They find it less funny when I actually show up and feed their lungs to the family dog. And I do that for a hobby. Like golf, to relax. This is my job. I like my job. So think about what I'm gonna do to you, your girl, and the rest of your friends if you don't hand over the sock puppet now.
This was really the wrong day to try and pull this shit.
I told you he'd never just give him up.
Fuck it.
Alter, geht's noch? Yeah. Blöde Hackfresse.
Bigby?
Okay, ich glaube, ich wäre gerade Bes. Ich wäre gerade tierisch Bes. Ich wäre gerade Bes, weil ich so viel trinken muss. Wieso geht Okay. Ich muss wohl weiter nach vorne wackeln. Ich kann nicht einfach geblickt halten. Ich muss so nur nach vorne zittern. Okay. Echt jetzt? Weiter geht's. Ist mir scheißegal. Ja, ich hab schon eine graue Arm. Graue Arme heißt Ärger. Kann ich euch jetzt schon sagen. Muss ich doch schneller machen oder was? Hey. Okay. Ich hab das Hemd verloren. Hemd verliere ist noch schlimmer wie graue Arm. Das kann ich euch jetzt schon sagen. Yeah. Also ich würde jetzt halt irgendwie Desto machen. Alle zwei schmeißen. Okay, das war nix. Noch ein Versuch, oder? Immer noch nix. So, und jetzt ruf. Renne doch willig. Auerle. Komm, da geht noch. Da geht noch. Da geht noch. Hey, was soll denn das? Bin ich nicht gut. Komm her. Da, verdicht. Du wolltest schlagen. Töten oder gehen lassen? Töten. Okay, jetzt bin ich ein Mörder. Scheiße. Ist da bloß jetzt silberne Kuchle drin oder was? Okay, irgendwie seltsame Kuchle hat es auf jeden Fall.
It was a good show, but, you know, it just didn't know when to end.
Ey, das ist das Mjölnir-Dingens da vom Holzfäller.
You know, you didn't think silver bullets would work on anything but a pure werewolf. But as it turns out, it's just
Alter,
Right, Wolfie.
es geht nicht. Ich trick wie irre.
I mean, hey, look, I know it sounds ridiculous. but it really does. Can you argue with these results?
Hoppala, sorry, Pause gedrückt. Ach,
'Cause I know I
weiter.
can't.
Wait! Stop!
Tut's jetzt Crane ausliefern?
Just take him, okay? Take Crane. Just stop, please.
Yeah, I don't know.
Snow. Don't do this.
It's your lucky day, kid. The Crooked Man says it's okay with him. Hello, Ichabod. Got a stomachache? Oh, and just between us girls, Crane ain't no killer. I mean, look at his face. Could stick a pig if his life depended. Nope, not like your boyfriend. Well, this is
Aye.
a beautiful relationship we have with you guys. Really, I mean it. I'm jazzed about it. Out with the old, in with the new. Long live the queen. I'm sure we'll be in touch. See you around.
Alter. Das nächste Mal bei The Wolf Among Us. Das EMG
He's
geht
lucky to
wieder.
be alive, and he won't be next time if he keeps going like this.
This is getting worse by the minute. We don't have time to sit around and wait for their next move.
I'll get things under control. Woody, I'm not gonna tell you again.
Back off, dog. This doesn't concern you.
What you want to talk about?
I just wanted to, about last night.
When people hear what you did to Dom, they're going to think you've gone back to your old ways.
Don't hold out on me, Jack. You've always got some angle.
Not this time. I know when a mark's not worth the trouble.
Do you?
Don't make me come down there to deal with you. I don't want it. You don't want it. Then again, you don't have much choice at this point, do you?
Die Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary war doch aber... Egal. Okay, Spielerentscheidungen. Hast du Snows Trauerrede unterbrochen? 80,7% der Spieler haben sich entschieden, Snows Trauerrede nicht zu unterbrechen. Weiter geht's. Welchen Ort hast du zuerst untersucht? 40,4% haben zuerst die Chip Trap Bar untersucht. Die meiste also. Knapp die meiste. Ansonsten wäre noch zum Ikebot. Und nur ganz wenig sind als zweites zu denen gegangen. Okay. So. Hast du Fliegenfänger einen Job angeboten? Du und 3,9% der Spieler haben Fliegenfänger keinen Job angeboten. Eigentlich, ne? Bereue ich das so. Naja, ein bisschen. Er war naiv. Aber halt ein guter Kerl eigentlich, ja. Hast du Greenleafs Baum verbrannt? Du, 79,5% der Spieler haben Greenleafs Baum nicht verbrannt. Ja, hab ich euch erklärt, warum. Hast du Dumb Tweedle getötet? Boah, ich weiß nicht warum. Wir hätten ihn nicht töten sollen. Wir hätten ihn nicht töten sollen. Jetzt sind wir selber die Mörder. Ja. Okay. Das war dann Episode 3 von The Wolf Among Us. Jetzt lassen wir noch gleich den Abspann laufen. Ich sage schon mal Tschüss. Ich bin so frei. Noch ein bisschen Gelaber und dann ist es vorbei. Morgen geht's dann weiter mit der ersten Folge von Episode 4. Wer noch ein bisschen mehr die Hintergründe erfahren will, ich tue jetzt nur der Folge gleich die Märchenbuch-Folge hochlade. Und ich gucke mal, dass ich ja das, was noch fehlt, freispiele, sodass wir alle Märchenbuch-Inträge von der Episode 3 haben. Also, wenn ihr noch Bock habt, gucke rein, und nicht, dann nicht. So. Und jetzt kommt der Abspann, denke ich. Tschö.